In this video, I want to talk about how you can set up hotkeys on Webull. Now, for this to work, you need to download the Webull desktop app. If you don't have the desktop app, you cannot set up hotkeys. So make sure you go in here and make sure you download it. After you've done that, you just want to open up the app. And then once you've logged in, you want to head over to the settings. And inside of settings, there will be another one called settings. And once you're in there, you should look for anything called hotkeys or shortcuts. Once you're in there, you will now be able to set your hotkeys. Now, these are some of the things that you have available. So buy and sell, setting order quantities, canceling orders, and stuff like this. Once you found the one that you want to do, you want to click on the specific one, and then you just want to click on a key that you want to put it on. It can be like Control B or Shift S or stuff like this. And then it will show you inside of the app what hotkey it is now on. After that, you just want to click save, and then you're good to go. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.